All right, we have been doing 2 maths a day to make sure that our brain stays sharp and that we can stretch and stretch and stretch them and build some good roads in shapes or geometry and also in our number sense, not to forget that. In our live yesterday, we were trying to come up with our own math stories to understand how numbers and the symbols create a sentence that shows the change in numbers. So, you are starting a Prairie math journal today. Oh, my dear camera wants to dance today. My Prairie math journal by, and I can put here, Mrs. G. I'll be short there. You may use these worksheets or you can just show on a whiteboard if you've done the math problem with mom and dad or a friend to help. Let's read the first story they give us. 5 monarch butterflies are sipping nectar from flowers. 2 butterflies fly away. How many are left? So this space will help give us drawing space and also space to write our math sentence or our equation. So how many butterflies did they say we had? 5. So let's go ahead and draw 5 butterflies. There's 1. These are going to be very fast butterflies. There's 2. 3. 4 and 5. I'm listening to the story that it says below. Now, a lot of you can draw butterflies so much better than Mrs. Gorospe. Feel free to make them as beautiful as you'd like. 5 monarch butterflies are sipping nectar from flowers. You can draw the flowers if you'd like, but you do not have to. 2 butterflies fly away. Fly away. So that means I am taking apart or taking away. How many? 2. So I'm going to pick my 2 butterflies and show that they flew away. How many are left? We can see in the picture 3. Now that our picture shows the story, let's write the math sentence. We began with how many? 5. Then we need a symbol to show. Adding or putting together or taking apart. Taking apart is our minus sign. How many did we take apart? 2, or took away, sorry. How many did we take away? 2 equals, the end of our story ends with how many butterflies left? 3. Awesome job. So that's our first story. Let's go ahead and have a look at the next page here. 3 turtles are sitting on a log. Okay, so let's go ahead and start that. 2 more turtles come and join them. How many turtles are on the log? If it helps to slow down and do one part at a time, go ahead and do that. 3 turtles are sitting on a log. It helps me to circle the number word so I remember. So I need a log, don't I? There's my log. A log is a shape of a, does anyone know? 2 flat surfaces and a curved surface. A log is a shape of a cylinder. Oh, I hope somebody remembered that. 3 turtles. So let's go ahead and put these turtles. I'm going to do a shell and some feet. A little neck. Maybe a tail. Here's another shell. Feet, tail, little neck, and a small head. And here's my 3rd turtle. All right, 3 turtles are sitting on a log. There they are. 2 more turtles come and join them. 2 more turtles come and join them. Join means put together. So we're going to draw them here. And I will go ahead and add them real quick. 2 more turtles. There we go. How many turtles are on the log? So 3, that was the beginning of our math story. And what was happening in the story? Taking away or joining? We heard join. And our math symbol to show that is plus. Plus how many? 2 more turtles equals, let's see, 3, 4, 5. At the end of our story, 5 turtles are on the log. Now these kinds of numbers are not very big, but we want to be sure we know how to follow the story. So we choose easy numbers so that when we follow the story, that's the part we want our brain to focus on. Last one for today. Tomorrow you'll have 2 new stories to add to your journal. 7 robins are looking for worms to eat. 3 robins fly away. How many robins are left? All right, robins. Sometimes, my friends, if you're not feeling up to drawing a whole animal, you can also draw what? Counters. It's also really nice to practice drawing robins if you'd like to take the time, but counters also work. You could do counters instead of butterflies, counters instead of turtles. You are learning to follow the story, so it is okay. I'm going to circle my number word. 7 robins are looking for worms to eat. So that's the number I'll draw first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And just to start, I'll put 7 here. 3 robins fly away. Flying away means we are taking away. So I'm going to find my 3 and show that they are being taken away. So here's 3. What symbol should I use to show taking away? Minus. How many robins are left to show the end of the story? Equals 4 robins left. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Okay, thank you for those that practiced your math journal for the prairie animals. Tomorrow you will be adding 2 more, but thank you for enjoying these 3. Bye, friends.